Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, tap on the devices icon, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch GT 4. Tap on it, select it. On this page, find the watch faces category and tap on the more button to open the watch face store. If you don't see the watch faces category, it could be because when you install the application for the first time, the HUAWEI Health application, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature, because when you're installing the application, you need to select a region. One thing you could try to do is to reinstall the application and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. Okay, now I'm gonna tap on More to open the store. Here tap on Mine to open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and right here we have the gallery watch face. Tap on it, tap on Download if you need to download the package, and after it's done downloading, you will be able to set up your custom watch face. So first we need to select the background. So tap on the plus button, and you have two options, take photo and gallery. If you tap on take photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. If you select the gallery option, it will open the gallery or photos app on your watch, or rather on your phone, and you can select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna use the gallery option, but you can use the camera one if you like to. So let's find the photo. For example, this one. So once you select the photo, you will need to crop it. Basically, you can zoom in, zoom out. Also, you can move around, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So grab the image and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have a preview of our watch face. Now we can tap on Style, and here we can select the style of the clock. Then we can tap on Layout and select if it's on the top or the bottom, and then Widgets. We can change the widgets under the time. You can also have multiple backgrounds if you want to. By tapping on plus, you can add another one. For example, this one. Like this. And once you're done setting up the watch face, tap on Save. And once it's done saving, you will have the watch face applied on your watch. If you added more than one picture, you can cycle between them by tapping on the screen. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.